The problem that I'm gonna solve right now is gonna be another example of log equation, and we're gonna find x. I already give you a hint that we're gonna use power rule in this problem. So what was power rule? Okay, power rule was when we have a log of something to the base of b, for example, to the exponent of m, to an exponent of p. Look at the p is on the top is the exponent. The exponent become a coefficient in order to evaluate the log. And sometimes in order to evaluate it, you have to make the coefficient as an exponent. It depends on the situation. For example, log base 2 of 8 to the exponent of x, we simply write it x times of log base 2 of 8. See, exponent become a coefficient. Okay. First, let's start with this example. Okay. Let's have okay, there we go. We have it here. In order to log of log base 5 of 5 equal x. In a moment you would see how does it relate to the quotient rule, to the power rule, sorry. Okay, we have this beautiful equation right here. Log base 5 of 5 is equal x. We're going to evaluate it for x. So what we're going to do, very good job, we're going to use a definition of log. So I'm going to make a box, and I'm pretending that this box is your finger, right? So your finger, it would cover log, oops, sorry, your x, your finger is gonna cover log and whatever in front of it, right? And what you ended up with is 5 and x. So it should remind you of 5 to the power of x. See? 5 to the power of x is equal 5. Whatever is in front of the log, whatever you covered. Okay, let's write it down here. I'm gonna write it 5 to the power of x is equal to 5. Done. Done. So I'm going to put your finger right here now for now. Okay, good. So log base 5 of 5 is equal to x. We covered log and whatever in front of it, we get to 5x is equal 5. There you go. 5 to the power of x is equal to 5. Now we're going to evaluate it for 5. So with the simple mental math, you can see 5 to the power of what? Give you the same number, 5. So x is 1. 1. Hold on a second. Of course x has to be 1 because when the base and the argument is the same thing, see, the base and the argument is the same thing, the answer of the log is 1. Log base 1000 of 1000, of course it's 1. Okay, good. So this is one more time we prove it. Why any number, if the base and the argument is the same thing, the answer of the log is 1. Okay, now let's see how would it related to a log equation. Okay, I'm gonna do an example using a power rule. Okay, let's see. Log, let's choose a number. Give me a number. Let's go for 9. Log base 9 of 9 to the power of, give me 100 to the power of 100. Wow, Okay, this crazy log is equal x. Okay, the whole thing is equal x. We want to solve it for x. Okay, oops, how are we gonna do this? So we have a log base 9 of 9 to the exponent of 100. We look at our cheat sheet. Oh, we have an exponent. Exponent become a coefficient. So we're gonna apply it here. We have an exponent here, right? So exponent become a, good job, coefficient. So check it out, we're gonna write 100 times, right? 100 times, there you go, done. Log base 9 of 9. Oh, oops. Let's see, I messed it up here. Just give me a second, guys. This was 100 here. There we go. This is what we had here. Now exponent become a coefficient, so 100 times log of base 9 of 9. I'm gonna write it right there. So big. Okay, let's make it smaller. That's good. Perfect. Perfect, Sion. Okay, 100 times log base 9 of 9. See, simply the exponent here become a coefficient right there. Right? Now, from the previous part, we know that if the base and the argument of the log is the same number, the answer of the log is 1. So I can just cross this and be like, this is 1. So what we have is 100 times 1. 100 times 1 is equal 100. Done. Right, so the answer of this log is 100. Okay, another beautiful example. Hope you guys enjoy this. Again, for the exam, I'm not to be able to cover all the examples and whatever is coming, but it just give you a quick review, quick overview that what's coming on the exam. It would be log equations, log definitions, and the next example is gonna be graphing log equation. Good luck, guys. Hello?
Hi, this is an exclusive announcement from Hilton Hotels.
نه منو تو گاییده